To add, remove or rearrange apps on the Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Drag the Edge panel inward to open up the Edge panels. Swipe the panel to the left or right to find the apps panel. On the apps panel, tap the pencil icon. To add an app to the apps panel, tap the desired app on the left side. As the example, we will add Samsung Calendar app. To do so, tap the Samsung Calendar app icon on the left side. You can see that the Samsung Calendar app has been added to the apps panel. Next, to remove an app from the apps panel, tap the required app on the apps panel. As the example, we will remove Chrome browser app. To do so, tap the Chrome browser app icon on the apps panel. You can see that the Chrome browser app has been removed from the apps panel. Next, to rearrange apps on the apps panel, drag and drop the app on the apps panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.